I've had a large number of messages recently from viewers saying that they've got a Firestick and they can't find Downloader. It's disappeared from the App Store on their Firestick. So they've gone across to the Find, gone down to Search, and then searched for Downloader. But then when they've searched for it, it's just not appeared. So what's happened to Downloader? Don't forget to like this video, share it and subscribe to my channel. Doing these 3 things help us make more great videos for you. Well, nothing. Downloader is still there. It's still available in the Amazon App Store. But what seems to have happened is in every case where somebody's messaged me to say it's missing, what it's boiled down to is they've gone out and they've bought the Amazon 4K Select. Now, as the title says, it's a select version of the Firestick, so you can only download selected apps from the Amazon App Store. Unfortunately, with the 4K Select, you can't download any apps outside of the Amazon App Store. Therefore, there's no need to have Downloader on it because you just simply can't sideload apps on it, not like the other Firesticks and Fire TV Cubes. Now, if you've got the 4K Select and you want to be able to have the freedom to download apps, then you're just going to have to send it back, if you can send it back, and get the normal Amazon 4K Max 2nd generation or the Amazon 4K or the Amazon Lite. I mean, I'd recommend the 4K Max, but obviously at the moment, Amazon are clamping down on certain apps and they are blocking them from being sideloaded. So it may be even advantageous to go for something like, if you're in the States, the ONN 4K box, or if you're in the UK or Europe, the Thomson 240 or the Thomson 270 4K boxes, because those haven't got the Amazon system on. And whilst we don't know exactly the future of those boxes, they do seem to be still a little bit more flexible when it comes to downloading apps that are not available on the app stores. So, as I say, just to recap, Downloader is still there, but it's just not available on the 4K Select, as the 4K Select is locked down. It's based on the new version of the operating system released by Amazon, Vega. A lot of people have been talking about this, including myself, for a long time. So I'm really surprised that so many people are going out and buying the 4K Select when obviously you can't sideload on it. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, consider hitting that thanks button and making a donation to this channel. Or if you can't do that, then have a look in the description down below. We've got some great links down there for you to various things, including my Amazon shop, which contains all the things I love at the moment on Amazon: Fire TV sticks, Fire TV cubes and VPNs. Buying, subscribing and donating really does help support this channel. It helps me to be able to dedicate more time to spend researching to bring you these great videos. And whilst you're at my YouTube channel, why not stick around? I've got thousands of other videos for you right here, right now, covering all sorts of subjects. Hopefully whilst you're here, you're going to find something to educate you, entertain you, amuse you, and maybe even save you some time and money. And if you do see any videos that you think your friends, your family or your work colleagues might like to see, then please don't forget to share these videos on your social media timelines. You can check me out on X. I'm at CWTEK. You can also check out my website. It's cwtek.co.uk. Thanks for watching and speak to you again soon.